Are you looking to install Microsoft Word or Excel on your computer without spending any money? You're in luck. This tutorial will guide you on how to download and install the free version of Microsoft Office apps on your Windows operating system. Now, let's access the Microsoft Store. Begin by opening any web browser on your computer. In the search bar, type Microsoft Store and hit Enter. From the search results, find and click on Top Free Apps, Microsoft Store, to navigate to the Microsoft Store webpage. On the Microsoft Store page, use the search bar to look for Office and hit Enter. Switch to the Shop tab on the site, where you can find the available Office apps. Scroll down the page to locate the Office section showing the free apps. Click on Show All under the App section. Then scroll down until you find the free Office version. Click on this link for Microsoft Office 365. Here you will see a download link. As I have already installed it, it says Open. Downloading it is straightforward. Once you have downloaded the app, open the app. You will see the Office interface, with Word available in the left sidebar. Click on it to start using Microsoft Word, Excel, or any other Office app. Select New Blank Document or choose from the available templates. Now, you can enjoy using Microsoft Word on your system. This version is web-based, but it provides access to all the essential features of Microsoft Word. As for the paid 365 app, you can format a document, save it, open a doc, and it's all free. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button below and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, click subscribe and join us.